Holly. Food market. Hey. Have they built the Notre Dame? Yo.
Notre Dame.
How do you feel?
I feel kind of like...
Time to go somewhere else?
Yeah. In fast food. Oh, yeah.
Wait.
I can't remember which one. No, I'm not that far. The best food in France is in Paris. And the best food in Paris is Chef Gusto's. My quote takes away. Look, how Parisian.
So Parisian. Is that to the Eiffel?
Tour d'Eiffel. Oh.
Wow.
If you look here, you can see the Notre Dame.
Wow. Are you happy to be in Paris?
Oui. Oh,
I love the Tour d'Eiffel. J'adore.
Tour d'Eiffel. Who sings this song?
Wow.
Authentic. Authenticity is what we strive for.
Alright. Hey.
That would have my legs bone for days.
You are in it. Go away.
What do I do?
Bonjour, minasan. Je suis avec mon ami Oli.
Oui. Je suis allée.
Bisous.
Bonsoir. I just learned how to time travel, you know.
L'Arc de Triomphe. Wow.
Wow. Well, you went for the French fry, but... Oh, it's so cute. It should be like this all... Oh,
Let's go.
Fuori potete ascoltare un commento in italiano con successo.